Hi everyone, Kirk here, Kirk's Motorrad Shop, Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you a product. Is this a product review? Well, maybe. I don't know. We're going to find out. It is a pressure washer sent to me by this, I'm going to say it's Gochifix. You know what? Every one of these Chinese companies makes the weirdest names. But I'm hoping that this pressure washer is going to be something I can use here in the shop. You know, I get a lot of offers from companies to check out their products, and I refuse most of them unless it's something I can actually use. We're going to check this thing out. I'm not going to do a dramatic unboxing video here. I'll bring it back in just a moment when I get this thing all unboxed. I actually can't stand unboxing videos because they... Why? What's an unboxing video? So I'm going to get this thing out of the package and show you what's in the package, and then we're going to go out and we're going to test this thing to see how well does it actually work. Hopefully it's going to work pretty good. Well, there it is, guys. There's the unit all put together. It's got some screws. It comes with screws that you got to use to put, you know, the wheels on, and also this just slides on there as well. But this one here, this is for the hose. You got to put a couple of screws in there. Some of the other things that it comes with a soap bottle. I will be testing this out. You'll see what that looks like in use. And it comes with this. I found this in the, it was loaded into the manual. It is a little cleaning pin if your nozzles here, you know, get clogged up. You can run this thing in there and clean them out. So that's kind of nice. One thing I like to do with all of my pressure washers is I like to take a little bit of silicone lubricant and put that on the threads. It really helps in the long run, and even put some on the inside. You can also put some, you know, this is the hose for it. Put some on the O-ring. Really helps in the long run of getting this thing to stay working and working really well to be able to pull the thing apart and you know, put it in installation. It just makes it a little easier. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit right here on the wand as well, just on the threads. I'll just read you the ratings real briefly on it. All right, you got a rated pressure is at 2,800 psi, and the max pressure is 4,200 psi. There's no adjustment on this thing, so I'm not really sure, you know, how that relates. It also runs at 2.6 gallons per minute, which is a pretty fair rate. I'm glad for that. I'm glad it's not under 2. But we're going to go and test this thing out. Right here, this is your on-off switch. You can't really see it at all on here, but this says off, this says on. And I do like that this has the universal fittings on here, so you can actually change tips, as well as there's some accessories out there. You know, whether it's you know, a longer, you can get extensions. You can buy those on Amazon. You can buy the undercarriage kind of washing module and things like that. It's not sold by this company, but there's other ones out there. And yeah, let's go test this thing out. Hopefully it works out good. I do like the size. I really like that it's a very small, lightweight unit, and yeah, hopefully it's going to work out great. So let's go check it out. All right, it's time to give this thing a try. If it works, I would say it's going to work. I guess Beamer doesn't like it. Maybe he does. I don't know. What do you think, Beamer? red one should be like a pinpoint. Yeah. Well, that's actually quite powerful. Nice. Well, I got to tell you, guys, I'm pretty impressed with this little thing. That's actually huge. I'm very impressed with this little thing. Nice work, Gochifix, however you say it. Outstanding. Oh yeah, that's huge. What I have in here is a little bit of Super Clean. Even though it's not purple, it is Super Clean. Super Clean gets bleached out in the sun, and sometimes I leave it outside and yeah, it turns clear. Wow. Well, color me impressed. I am very much impressed with this little Gochifix. I love how much water this thing puts out. That 2.4 gallons, I think that's for real. I'm not going to take time to measure it, but based on the other ones that I have, I even have a gas one that is about a 2.4, maybe it's a 3 gallon. It feels like it puts out about the same amount. So, guys, check this thing out. Go see what the prices are. But boy, don't be afraid of this one. Really, it's a good product. Appreciate them sending me this thing. It will be used. Take care, guys. Have a great day. And Beamer, well, Beamer still doesn't. I think the verdict's still out for him. Take care.